Hello everyone, it's me, Jimmy, and welcome back to the Satoshi Chase, the show where the profits are small, the dreams are oversized, and today something actually happened. I won't spoil it just yet. Let's say a milestone was reached, and no, it's not emotional stability or a six pack, but it does involve numbers, green ones. We'll go over what happened, how I got here, and whether I'm actually getting good at this or just lucky on the most patient timeline imaginable. But first, let's check the charts. As you can see, yesterday was a green day for Bitcoin. Let's check the hourly chart. Yep, we went more than around 2% up, which is great in just 1 hour. And all our positions are in the green. And I'm not going to wait for anything and close everything. Are you sure you want to close all positions at market price? Yes. And yep, we did it. Our positions are closed. First of all, let's go back and open some. Okay, Solana is open. Let's go for repo. And what else? What else? What else? Of course, BNB. We have 3 positions opened already in the green, 2 of them, but it's so little profit that it's less than a cent, so we are not going to touch those. We will wait to either see them high up or low down, and depending if it's high up, we are going to close. If it's going down, we are going to buy the dip, as we usually do. I'm not going to check our margin ratios because we are at the lowest possible amount on each position and nothing special. But what I want to check is the profit and loss details. Yep, today we made 30 cents. And the question here is this enough for our big milestone? Or I was just dreaming? Nope, it's not enough. No, we need 11 cents. 11 more cents. Actually, 23 more cents. No. Okay, we need to make 33 cents because I want to reach $10 today. How are we going to do it? Let me share a quick trick with you. 1 cent. Done. Let's go to Solana. So we're going to do something very, very risky. We're going to use 100 leverage and then buy Solana. But I want more Solana. 0.06. Okay, 15 cents. You're going to wait. I'm going to speed up this waiting process. And here it is, closing Solana and closing repo. before reopening them, what I did was use 100x leverage for Solana and the standard 10x leverage for repo. We waited for this green candle. I actually opened 2 or 3 additional positions, 6 cents each, over maybe around here. But it took some time, so I didn't record everything. But here it is. We closed those positions. Now, opening the profit and loss details. The big moment. $10.05 of profit. Let's be honest, I couldn't even finish this episode properly. Not because I rage quit or the market collapsed, but because life got in the way. And that's the real lesson for today. We always see these picture perfect crypto success stories. Full-time traders, laser focused, 10 monitors, no distractions. But for most of us, that's not reality. Reality is trying to make smart trades while also surviving a 9 to 5. Checking charts during lunch breaks and sneaking in a quick trades between work emails. Wondering if your phone battery can actually handle both price alerts and your group chats. Managing a social life without sounding like a conspiracy theorist every time someone mentions banks. Dreaming of breaking into the real estate market while wondering if your portfolio can even buy a doorknob. Is juggling all of that and still showing up to close a trade, track your progress and not give up when things move at the speed of a sleepy snail. Today I didn't film a full episode, but I did close positions, stayed consistent and walked away with a $10 profit, despite everything else going on. That might not sound like much, but it's a reminder that this isn't just a trading journey. It's a life balance experiment. And sometimes just doing something is a victory. So, if you're also juggling too many things, feeling like you're behind, or wondering if small steps even matter, trust me, they do. Because staying in the game, even imperfectly, is still moving forward. You're not lazy, you're just human. And if you can make $10 through all this chaos, imagine what you do when life slows down. Or when you finally win that real estate bidding war without crying. Let's check the charts for today real quick and open a few positions, because what we did yesterday was just closing and reaching that $10 profit goal. We can see that BNB is up, so we are going to close it just to have some profitable days, which are important. Now we revert back to the 10x leverage for Solana and buy the lowest possible amount, as we always do. Then we are going to BNB, buying the lowest again, and repo. Why repo? Because it went up a lot. It went quite up actually. Let's see the daily. Yes, it did go up, but okay, we are still going to buy, and if it goes down, when it goes down, because everything goes down someday, we are going to buy more and even the prices. Okay, let's check the Bitcoin chart. It did go up as well. How much? 6%. This is good. The market did move up right when I was unable to finish the episode, but it's okay. We are at $10 profit, which is 10% for less than a month. At this speed we can double our money in less than a year, but we will make sure we do it faster than that. Alright, that's all I've got in me today. Didn't have the time or brain power for a full episode, but I still showed up, closed my positions and somehow made $10 profit. without completely losing my mind or missing a meeting. Call it a win, call it survival, call it my version of balance. If you've ever tried juggling work, life, relationships, financial goals, and whatever crypto is, you know exactly how this feels. Thanks for sticking around even when the episodes are a bit scuffed. Like, comment, subscribe, or just take a nap and call that your investment in mental health. I'll catch you in the next one, hopefully with more time, more energy, and just as much profit. But no promises. Peace.